Sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang pageant training, nagtulungan ng boys at si Lara para sa isang matinding tanong.
So the boys will make up questions, ha? I want you to think of the hardest question you can think of. Just hypothetical or about them.
The easiest, like, before you die, what you want to do before you die, one thing. Or if you have one job, you can have just one object in your life. What you would choose?
Is it just one when you're here? I don't know.
One.
Just one? If you, other than yourself, who do you think deserves to win?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's one.
Huh? Alright. Alright.
Dahil isang tanong lang para sa lahat, pinapasok sa girls' bedroom ang ibang babae.
Your question is, other than yourself, who do you think deserves to be the big winner of PAB Season 7?
So, it's a hard question. But then if I were to choose only one person, that will be Ate Maymay. I believe that she is determined, motivated, and inspired enough to deserve the position.
I-feel ko po sa sarili ko na I'm really weak at Q&A, na even though it's really not my comfort zone, dapat po na galingan ko na lang po talaga.
Candidate number 2, Maria.
All of us deserves to win, and so I think all of us should give our best. Salamat po.
Candidate number 3.
Is admission. At kasi lahat po kami, binigay po namin yung best namin, kaya lahat po kami deserve po namin manalo.
Saan ka naman pinaka-nahirapan?
Sa question and answer pa rin. Nakaka-answer ako, pero pag-answer dapat may impact.
Please go to your spot. Kirsten.
I think other than myself, the one who really deserves to win this competition is the one who has always been there for me and the one who has always shown all the positive sides of the world, and she is Ate Maymay.
Thank you. I think all of us, kuya, nahirapan po kami sa question and answer po. Andyan si Ate Lara, tumitingin sa'yo. She's the Miss International, and kasi yung puso ko
Please go to your spot in the middle.
I think the other one needs to win competition. How can I say
You cannot ask. Sobrang siyang kinakabahan. Parang nafe-feel ko na insecure siya dahil nahihirapan siyang magsalita.
This is... ¿Cómo se llama? Algo así. Es un nombre para el portugués. I forgot the word in Portuguese as well.
Alright. But just finish your answer.
It's Maymay because she's herself all the time, and this is important for me because I like the people who is herself, is not different or try to be different, just herself.
Habang nagpapahinga si Stephanie kasama ang ibang girls, hindi nito napigilang mapaiyak.
You're Brazilian. You're not American. You're not Filipina. Yeah. Your English is not perfect. You know. You're amazing. If you just answer next time, you answer the question in Portuguese, and I'm gonna translate it for you, okay? No, it's okay. It's okay. I can't do that. Thanks. It's okay. I'm just nervous. Too pressure. Olha pra cima.
Even though, of course, this is a competition, I will go to her and comfort her kung nasasaktan po siya.
Love you. Love you.
Si Kuya, minabuting kausapin din ang mga house players.
How are you?
So.
Stephanie?
Yeah?
Why did you cry?
I'm in my period. Yeah. And it's always hard for me because I was nervous.
Stephanie, I want you to express yourself easier.
Okay.
So, do you want an interpreter?
Yeah, I think it'll be good.
Okay. Because in the question and answer portion, it is very crucial.
Yeah.
It's very important. Okay, I understand.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you.
If I were your judge and you answered that question, I would not give the crown to you.